We are. Ooh, I don't remember the contest numbers. Let's try 20. Did I do this one? I think I've done this one actually. Yeah. Oh. Oh, let me. One second. Let me sign into my account first. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, I gotta verify if I'm a human. Sorry. Yeah, okay, so I've done this one. Cool. Oops, wrong one. This one needs to be into. Cool. Alright. So I've done this one. Pretty sure I've done all these except for. Have I done this one? I don't think I've done this one. Yeah, no, this one's difficult. It's a DP problem, or at least it looks like a DP problem. Let's see. Oh, gotcha. See, I don't know this. Okay, so in times like these where I don't know how to do it, we should still like look at the solution or something. It's like similar to like backtracking. And we have to. Yeah. We have to make sure. Yeah, so pickup has to be coming for delivery. Oh, that's crazy. I don't know how you get to 6 to 90. So this is like 1 times 6. This is 6 times 15. Don't we know how that happened? But yeah, you're supposed to do all these delivery stuff. Yeah, so in times like these, I think we should like still try to. Oops. Still should try to learn, even though I'm not super familiar. Oh man, I gotta sign in. Okay, give me a minute. Let's see. Am I in Tmux? No, I'm not. Yeah. Okay, again, I'm going to get on the side. Didn't realize I needed so many. Where's my inspect button? Let's see, I am looking for, what am I looking for? No, yeah. Alright, we just gotta copy. We got that boy. And then, hold on, sign. Oh. I'm hoping if we, I might have copied it. I might have pasted it twice. Oh, no lines in the buffer? Oh, no. Cool. And that's me. That is me. Yeah, so even though I don't know how to do it per se, I first think of DFS in some way, but I'm not really sure how to keep up with like the uniqueness of it. So, and it's a combination theory. I don't know any of that. So let's oh, so DP is it? So someone did DP. Okay, let's look at this one. Assume we already have n minus 1 pairs. Now we insert the nth pair. Okay, I'm gonna give it a buck. This intuition 1, no. Over my head, bro. Over my head. So, okay. You get to 2, so 4. You get 3 all of a sudden. To do the second position, all of a sudden it's this. Two times 3 times 4, and then you somehow need to divide by 2. You somehow need to divide. You just obviously need to divide by 2, which is 6 is the answer. Okay. Okay, so that's the intuition. Okay, so this is how many permutations there are, which I'm not fully grasping. So this is 3, 6. So this is 5. 3 times 6. Yeah, this is 3. Oh, this is 5 times 6. Excuse me. Wait, yeah. This is 6 minus 1. N is equal to 3 in my head. So this is 5 times 6. But isn't the second answer 9? And then it's 15? Do you multiply that with the previous number? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, we consider the first element in all 2n elements. What does that mean? Okay, the first must be a pickup, and we have n pickups as choice. Let's look at this guy. Pretty easy fail when you do the So let's look at Lee 215. How do I like his solution? He's definitely assuming that I have a good background in all this. Actually, let's look at... So, I mean, I didn't like it from a perspective of... I don't really know this stuff, so... Yeah, but I definitely could see some intuition towards things. Yeah. You ready to quit when you saw his solution? Oh, why? So yeah, he definitely assumes a lot, yeah. But aren't you, isn't your like Leetcode rating like 2,000 something? Yeah, I mean, I don't notice people like, I didn't know he posted a lot until like that comment. His solution is 10 lines, mine was 2. Oh, for this question? Or for another type of question? What is in this? Oh, interesting. I see. Yeah, he's very... that was very concise. I'll say that much. It was very concise. What is going on here? Hilarious. I'm just not expecting... What is dynamic programming? Actually, so let's see. Right. Okay. Yeah. Do you post solutions or anything? Dude, yeah, when it comes to these questions, I want to solve them on my own, but I think my first go around will be for sure having to look at the solution, unfortunately. I will say I did think you could do this as a DP thing. I wish I just knew more about permutations. Combinatronics or something like that. What is it called? Yeah. Combinatorics? Oh man. Yeah, like with all this stuff, I'm not. Stuff I don't know, man. You just watch LC for entertainment? You find Leetcoding entertaining? That's crazy. Well, I will say I did watch a couple other people Leetcode, and I do like watching their thought process on things. Yeah, I'm just wrong like that then. Yeah, my bad. Excuse me. Do you do anything else for entertainment? You should start with one order. The order one, pick up. Yep. Now, where does this come from? What's the deal with 2i minus 1? You would have I pickups and I deliveries. Okay. Making the 2i position in total. the fuck? Oh, hiking? Oh, hell yeah, dude. Me and my girlfriend went to Hawaii recently, and I love the hikes over there, man. It was really nice and naturey, and then get up to some hills, and then all of a sudden you're like seeing a nice view of the of nature, but also the ocean and the beaches and even the city, all in one view. I don't know. I find that amazing. To have like such a rich mixture. Yeah. But the bugs kicked my ass. ABC stores? Yeah. Oh, so you've been. You've definitely been. Or you live there. I don't know. But you've definitely been, man. How do we... What is... What? For each new order, you have a slot for pickup and slot for delivery. The pickup can go... to... Interesting. It can go into 2 eye places? Okay, so if we look at P1, right? P1 can go to... because this one, okay, so in this combination, P1 can go to the first one and first one. Oh, 3 times. It can go 3 times actually. Oh, snap. And then here, it can go, wait, that's 6. That's 6. 6 locations. P2. Well, okay, now I'm thinking about it differently. So P1, so this is 1 location? Yeah. And this is the second one. This is the third. Oh wait, no, I'm lost actually. Okay, I thought I was understanding it, but I was not understanding it. I am doing 0 track, yeah. I went to 20 because I forgot which number I was which Leetcode contest number I was on. And then that's not what I wanted. And then I realized that I've already done these nicely. Yeah. I just wanted to go in order, just from the beginning. But I wouldn't mind like doing a couple harder questions for me. Yeah. But yeah, I understand like I'm in this like interval, but I also like the mixture of like ratings. Especially after doing like a hard one, I wanna redo an easy one. I wanna like not like bust my brain. So yeah. And I'm really trying to understand this question because I'm not fully understanding this. So what I want to do is do this. At bare minimum, can you explain the 2I minus I. Wait, what? You multiply it by... What the hell is this? What does that mean, man? Interesting. I should start using like ChatGPT to help me like understand this stuff, because I want to be able to like really break this down for me. Don't worry, I'll start doing ones on my own eventually. Just not this one. Just not this one. Also seeing algorithm interviews and compare step by step that you can understand. You give it n orders. Okay, each order has rule for each. Two n actions, n pickups plus n deliveries. Okay, that's fair. That no delivery precedes its corresponding pickup. Okay, let's construct. Right. Okay, that's where I saw the DP pattern from. Okay. Notice we already have the existing 2 times n minus 1 positions, the total length. Ah, okay. Right. Okay. Since we added an extra delivery, this happens, but you're just adding 2 more into the length. That's what's happening. Okay. And that's what's going on from the previous to the next. I understand that. We must insert PN first and then DN later. Out of 2 n positions, choose any two distinct positions that PN. What the fuck? I learned this at some point. I definitely have learned this at some point, but I don't know what this means. This equation doesn't make sense to me. It feels like it's supposed to be 4n squared minus 2n. I don't understand this part. Yeah, this seems like a crucial part to understand. Do you know much about combinatorics? Because I've seen this before, like n, when you're doing like summation, like n times n minus 1 divided by 2 with adding numbers, right? Yeah, this thing. Now it's 2n. Yeah. Obviously, be like that, right? And this should be the summation, right? Isn't the summation of like, if I put a 10 in there, this should be the summation of it? Yeah. Or just n times n minus 1. Summation of 1 to n numbers, closed form formula? Oh, n plus 1. Damn. I am out of the mathematic game. So this is with combinations is n minus 1. So let's see, 2. What is this? 4. Sequence. What the fuck? Can you explain? Can't we explain again the because I can see the solution. Like it's pretty simple. Once you understand this part, reasonably simple. So the DP? But isn't this... I don't understand how this is DP though. Oh, it's because you got the previous count. This is your DP. But it's only one value. That's nice. But to get to this point, you have to know this equation. even with DP, it seems like you still need to know math. Like you can't just like brute force the combinations and then count them. You want to count all value. Yep. We're all there, brother. I'm with you. Yeah. Oh, people would try an easier DP. Really? Interesting. Let's look at this. So this is after its own pickup. Look at, yep. Yeah, okay. I need to know why this is it. Suppose you know FN. Yeah, okay. Because 1 is 1. I get that. Now we add the nth order. Okay, so we want to, so when n is equal to 2, we want to know where P2 and D2 go to the existing Tn minus 1 length. Two n minus 1 length. I don't know if they wrote that right. We need to choose, because I think it's supposed to be, oh wait, no. 2. All right. So 2, so yes. So the previous, it used to be linked 2, but now it's 4. Okay. We have 2n total positions now. Yep. We need to choose 2 distinct positions, one for Pn, one for Dn, which must come after Pn. Okay. How many such choices? Out of 2n positions, there are... Ah, shit. It fucked up the equation. Okay, I see what... It's basically this thing. I think... Yeah. So they just repeated this part. They literally just repeated this part to me. Which I did see that equation of, not here, no. But the combination one is n times n minus 1 divided by 2, which I don't know the reasoning for that, but that's the way it is. Okay, half of them will... So for each valid sequence of length 2n minus 2, Okay. I'm not gonna solve this one. No, I'm not gonna submit it. Cause I got too much help. Yeah. Wouldn't feel good to doing that one. Yeah, so we're just gonna move on. We're just gonna move on. Let's see, 21. Oh, this one looks, oh shit. I was like, this looks like it sucks. I look at the rating. Oh my god, it does suck. It's fucking trash. Man, do I need any? Yeah, 1370. Oops. Yeah, 1370. Let's do it. Okay, let's do one that I can maybe do. I suck with strings. Okay, you're given a string S. Reorder the string using the following algorithm. Remove the smallest character from S and append it to the results. Smallest letter? What is considered okay? Okay, remove the largest character from. I'm confused. Smallest character? Smallest character being in order of ABC? Is that what I'm getting at? I'm kinda... That's what it seems like to me. They should have... Okay. Okay. So what I've gathered so far, the way that it is, ABC, you've done first one iteration, then you do CBA, ABC, CBA. Okay. This is going to be the only time where I'm going to be calling it result. No. I'm going to go stick with my roots. Answer is equal to this. Oops. And then let's do... I'm not sure how this while loop is gonna look. Okay, let's think about it. So the way that I would break it down would be have I like initialize a vector of 26 of length 26, then one pass through to get all the frequencies of letters. And then I'll have like a count. Count is equal to 0. Right? And then I'll have a while loop. And in this while loop count is less than s dot size. And in this while loop, I will do 2 for loops. One for loop going from 0 to 26 or 25, and add any letter that has like a frequency greater than 0, and then a second for loop going from 25 to 0, doing the same thing. Okay, and then like, so yeah, let's see. When adding to the string, add to the count. We could always also check if they're like always zeros. We could do that too, like. Yeah, we could do either or. Like have a boolean instead, because we can be pretty much off by one error. But anyway, yeah, let's do that. So, oopsie daisy. Int, you can call it C frequency. Oh, and it's going to be of size 26 and all zeros. Yeah. And then we're going to do one pass through for const char C and S. We will simply do C frequency of C minus A is plus plus. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so that's the first pass through. And now we're gonna have an int count is equal to 0. And then we'll do while count is less than s dot size. We'll do the following. Do a for loop for, yeah, we'll do do this. Int I is equal to 0, I less than C frequency dot size. I plus plus. We'll do the following. If C frequency I is greater than 0, the following. We'll do answer plus equal to I think A plus I. I think we'll implicitly do that. I think we'll do implicitly do that. And then we're gonna do a count plus plus, but also we'll do a C frequency minus, minus. Yeah. And that should be the only case. Now we're gonna do V 6K. We're gonna yoink it. We're gonna just go 7J. O. Escape. What? P for paste. Insert. Tab. Yeah. And this one we're gonna do C frequency size -1. I is greater than or equal to 0. And then do an I minus. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, that's the while loop. Nice. So then after all that, return answer. It should. Let's see if I have any any errors. Oh, nice. It works. Cool. Let's do this. Let's do a little bit of saving. And then okay, nice. It works, guys. We did it. Dopey dope dope. We did our first question of the day. It took me 45 minutes. Granted, the first 30 minutes was me trying to understand a question that I had no idea what I was doing. Oh yeah, we clapped it, Chris. We did it. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. Oh, what's my record for most solved in one stream? I'm pretty sure I got to 10. I got to 10 to 15. But I was mostly doing like mediums and easies. Mostly easies. I think half of them were easy. I did one hard. Yeah, that was brutal, man. That was brutal for a guy on my level. Someone else, maybe not so. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Anyone else? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really understand that question or that solution. Interesting. I am going to just say that I did a good job. Okay, well, I'm gonna look at this question. I don't know if I can solve it, but I'll look at it. Yeah. How many have you solved in a day? What's the most you solved in one day? You're given the root of a binary tree. Zigzag path for a binary tree is the final. The binary tree in a direction right or left. If the current direction is right, move to the right child. Change the direction from right to left or from left to right. Oh, interesting. Because you do it by directions. This is a hard one because let's see, what's the size? Because it's not gonna start at the root node. You're not the guarantee. It's not guaranteed to be at the root node. This reminds me of a similar problem in Leetcode, actually. I mean, I don't remember it. Was it this? Might be this. Something. Oh no. I cheated. It never came back to it. This isn't it. Who is this one? What was this guy? Alright, it was hella inefficient. Cause I did check each node, but there's like better ways of doing it. No. Yeah, I'm not sure for this one. So like there's ways to do it. You would just have to right, left, and then you can go. Oh my god, there's so many nodes then. You can't, it's hard to check like each one, right? So what's like an efficient way of doing that, right? I'm not sure. Oh wow, there's no way, bro. Doing that for every node? That'd be crazy. Cause there's 50,000 nodes? 10 to the 4? 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 50,000? 50,000 squared? I don't know, brother. Oh wait, do you... Oh yeah, you don't care what the value is. Okay, we'll attempt this one. Not really too confident in that. We'll attempt it. So, the way I'm thinking about it, we're gonna DFS it for sure. So we're gonna do an int zig checker. It'll be the node and the direction, just like they said in the hint. And I guess we're gonna do that for each one. Yeah, and the direction will be, this would be, that's a tree node. This is a tree node. And I'm gonna make this a boolean. like a boolean is left. And it's true if it's left, false if it's right, or like the previous, yeah. Yeah. So let's do something like that. I'm not really sure how this would, you know, check out exactly. Node roll is left. Make it constant. Oh my god. How did you do all that? Yeah, so let me check something real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You just stop there, okay. Right, if node is equal to null pointer, simply just return 0. We shouldn't get there, but so if is left, that means we want to go right. But we have to check if node to the right is equal to null pointer. Yeah, return 0. So at this point we shouldn't even get to this point. And then else, then we just go do zig. We need to have a value of some kind. Node to the right. And then we also do who's left. And the I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a TFL, TLE, TFL. What is that? So if we previously went to the right, then what is this? Oh. Then we check the left. Yeah, if we previously went to the right, we check the left, and then we just say return 0 here. It's kind of messy. I don't like all these nested loops. And then, did I make this an int? Why is it int node? I literally put tree node. It's whatever. Node to the right, if I can spell right. And then we'll do, well, either way we do that. Oh, this is left, excuse me. Then we go to the left. Or it could be more explicit about it. Okay, true. We want it to be true. This one false. Like to be more explicit. The only thing is we need to int val zoo. Val is equal to 1 plus that. And then val is equal to 1 plus that. Oh, I guess you should do like val 1 and val 2, huh? And then do like a maximum? Yeah. Because we need... Yeah. Or I guess I could call it val left, val right. Yeah, I'm definitely getting TLE. There's no way, bro. And then you just return. Man, this is such a brute force way of doing it. And it might work with the examples. But once it comes to like those big ass solutions, that's a different story. Or those big, like large inputs, there's no way. Okay, so let's... Oh yeah. Because I'm doing like a recursive of a recursive. That's... At least that's my logic. That's what I thought I was about to do. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Because what we could do would be zig, checker, root. This to be true. This will check the... This will check the... Only the first node, but I need to keep going. I need to somehow recurse this. Like recurse to get to the children nodes. This is not gonna do it, by the way, and I know it's not. But this should get 2 right, or like the second question right. Oop. This the case 2 right. Yeah, it got case 2 and 3. This one I wasn't expecting, because we're not checking them all. Okay, so let's do. There's no way. It's. Don't do what I'm doing, kids. Let's think about it. Let's think about how do I recurse this part? Because so I want to do the zigzag checker for each node. So the thought process right now is I'm only checking the top one. But what I want to do is check the children of it. So I started with this one, boom, boom, and it failed immediately after that. But I want to go to the child next. I'm guessing do this if and this would definitely just so messy, bro. This will definitely traverse, but oh my god. I'm disgusted by it. Is equal to I'm getting a TLE for show. Okay, now I should get the examples right. That's for sure. No? Oh. Now we should get it right. No? Oh, I might have had a... Yeah. I saw it last second. I should have traversed through it. Just one? One. Oh, fucking so stupid, bro. Oh, this is fucking... There's no way this is not... See why? Oh my god, this is terrible, man. This is terrible code. You're gonna try both? Oh, bro. Oh man. Yenjay, my guy, not good. It's not going too hot. It is not going too hot, bro. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the example. Okay, I got the examples right. I'm going to get a TLE. I'm going to get time limit exceeded. I'm going to get that. There's no way I don't get that. If this somehow passes, there's no way. There's no way. Oh wait, I need to... Oh wait, I want to retest it one more time. I want to see the output. Just make sure I'm not crazy. Oh yeah. There's no way it's not. It was lagging behind off of that. I want to see the real solution, because this is a TLE. There's no way it's not. 20 push-up. Ah yeah. You're just gonna now give me that? Oh, this is I just got the wrong answer. That's straight up just the wrong answer. Let's use it. Let's use it. Why is that the wrong answer? I don't even know what that tree looks like, bro. I have no idea what this tree looks like. I'll do 20 push-ups, but I wanna... I don't know what does that even look like? Oh my god, that's not what I want. Holy shit. That's deep as hell. I don't even know why I got the wrong answer there. Expected 8. Give him 3. Oh, don't worry. I don't expect to answer this right. Well, I did expect to get the right answer. I will say I did expect to get the right answer. The thing that I wasn't expecting was the wrong answer, but I was expecting the like TLE. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. I don't know if it really encourages me, bro. I felt defeated the first time I looked at this question. Like, I pretty much, yeah. Do I Leetcode for fun? I won't say I do it for fun, but I definitely need to be better at these types of problems because I'm really bad at them. And it's like stuff that interviewers unfortunately ask me, and sometimes I do good, sometimes I do bad. Mostly I do bad, but yeah, it's quite unfortunate. I want to look at the solution so bad. I already know it's a DFS, but the thing is I don't know. This is definitely out of my rating. I'll say that much. This feels very out of my rating. I think I'm around a 1500. Respect, right? Leetcode to feed the fam. Dude, I'm not feeding. Dude, I can barely feed myself, man. Do you not see how swole I am? Oh, let me do 20 push-ups for you. I'll do 20 push-ups. This time I will do this. I think you can see. Also, if you haven't seen my shirt, it says, "My anxieties have anxieties." Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did I paint those? Like this? Did I paint this? No, I got this from Oh shoot, what's the sword king? It's an Asian clothing brand. Why can't I remember the name right now? Oh, On the Wall? Oh no! It's one of my homies. One of my homies painted that. He was he was trying to become an artist, and I've always wanted to like support him. He kind of quit doing all that because it wasn't as profitable, but I made sure to pay him some good money for that. Yeah. Uniqlo! Yeah, you're right, Yunjae. Yes. I just couldn't remember it. I don't know why. The skyline problem is a famous interview problem? Let's see. Okay, I wanna look at the solution for this. It's just me looking at solutions, to be honest. So I definitely need to. I want to look at the ASCII table. This I want to keep. All right, bro. What's going on here? I just see what? I'm okay, but I see a lot of squigglies and stuff, and I have no idea what all those squigglies mean. Skyline. Oh, hey Apu, how's it going, man? I am getting my ass beat like always in these Leetcode problems. There's this one that I looked at the solution and still didn't understand it with all the combinatorics. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. Yeah! Congrats again on getting the new position, man. You're gonna crush it. I remember you have to like look for daycare, especially since it's summer, and they want you to be in office at least full time until you're like all like ready for that. Yeah. Yunjae, make sure to give Apu your respect, man. He is principal of the principal engineer. He's really high up there. He's the director of the CEO. What is this one? What is this BS, bro? These binary tree problems. Oh, that's crazy. So you have to find a binary search tree, and not just find it, you have to find the maximum of it. Oh, that's crazy, dude. Oh man, I don't want. This was a hard one, huh? They really stuck up their game. Okay, let's do an easy one and make me feel better about my life. Oh my god. 1385. Yeah. Yeah. This contest we can solve 3. This contest? Let's see. Oh, I could probably solve. Yeah, I could probably. Ah. It's this question. I don't know how to do this one. I saw this one. Wait, have I done this? Did I accidentally skip through? Oh, I've done this one. Oh. Did I actually skip 21? Oh, I might have accidentally skipped 21 or something. I don't know what happened there. If I've already done 22? Let's see. Okay, for this one, have I done this one? Yeah, I've done this one. I've done it a lot of times, actually. Interesting. This is the one that I didn't do. Right. This one's kind of hard to figure out, to be honest. So we kind of assume that everything's is distinct. Hey, I'm done. Apu is being very humble right now. He is. How do I hype him up without like inflating his ego? He is a god. He is the king of all men. He is a beast. That's all I got. I don't know. I don't know how else to say it. But yeah. No, I'm gonna miss you, Apu, man. I'm definitely gonna miss you. I am. Oh, okay. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Definitely would love to see you around. I've been working on the side a bit about like how to get my workflow working to create clips for like TikTok, and then also my video editing for like YouTube, things like that. So I've been working on the side to make sure like the workflow is all good, because all my editing is gonna happen on this laptop over here. I finally got it to be working with like dual monitor with like tile managers and stuff, like all this stuff with my MacBook. That took a while. So hopefully I'll be able to like start churning up some content. Cause I'm really thinking about just like going in on all this. Unless like an opportunity arises elsewhere. Yeah. Ah, I see. Yeah. What's the position title again? It's principal engineer, right? Or is it a director of sort? Oh, you be training models. Oh, interesting. I wasn't expecting you to train models. Could you give me a job like your job description if you feel comfortable giving me any of that? Oh yeah, I remember you said it was a startup. You're a founding engineer. Yeah, it's hard to get those positions. What type of roles am I interested in? voice crack. That was funny. Honestly, like, okay, this is gonna be vague. It's very, it's very vague. But I like creating things in general. I think creating things is just great, and like seeing things come to fruition is like really good. Like, the reason why I got into robotics in the first place is because I could see like my part of the pipeline just like work, and we get to see results off of that and like experimentations and things like that. So, you know, back-end engineering is fun, but also front-end, you get like those visual results. Right now, I guess you can say I'm a little lost in terms of like what I really want to do. And I know that's a very generic answer. Depending on the job title for like the interviewer, that's what I'm going to be saying. But I don't know, it's pretty cool. I'm actually going to get into Selenium soon, so I can like auto-publish my videos. I know Yunji was getting into that. Let's see. Oh, you do DevOps too, Oppo? I didn't know that. Oh, dude. Oh, I remember having getting this internal work, this internal tool that everyone was using, and there was a lot of like positives of that, but then like being that they're all my coworkers, they like I get immediate feedback in terms of like complaints. Much better than having customers complain to you, but I will say they have direct access to me. Yeah, Yunji, he does from the past that I've known him, he was doing a lot of web scraping stuff. I'm not sure if he's gonna continue doing that or like more. Yeah, there's so I think at first I'm gonna be using the YouTube API, and I hope that I won't use enough of the API monthly for like the free version, just so it won't cost me money. But if it does look like it's gonna start costing me money, then I'll probably use Selenium. Yeah, but that'll be like my first iteration, because I'm just gonna upload my videos straight into like my Twitch videos, my Twitch VODs, straight to YouTube, and then like do a couple like minor tweaks with the description and things like that. Yeah. Oh, Yunji, nice. I did not know that was an update to your work progress. Yeah, because I know you just started your full time, because you went right into it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it about. I don't know how to solve this one. I'm gonna leave it up. But we're gonna keep moving on, because I've only done one question in an hour 30. I guess I could have technically copy and pasted 2 more solutions, but it didn't really feel right. Let's see, $13.99. Okay. You're given an integer n. We need to group the numbers from 1 to n according to the sum of its digits. Ah, okay. Have I done this one? I'm like fairly certain I've done this one. Oh yeah. Okay. really sure what the optimal solution is. Ah, okay. There should be some like math way. Yeah, how are you building your AI agents? I actually don't know. Like, what? How? What's the logic between your AI agents? Is basically what I'm getting at. Wait, Apu, have you not made AI agents before? I thought you've already done all that. Ah, I see. RAG systems. Because I do know like to make some like certain decisions with like insurance stuff. And like the prices, especially with like statistical analysis. Yeah, you did that. Yeah, I thought, or at least you've worked with things like that. Right. Yeah. If your team's hiring, let me know. You can like roast me in an interview, man. Oh man. I'm gonna keep it by. I don't want someone who I converse through on Twitch to interview me. I think that I would hate that. Neo 4J. Oh yeah, don't worry about it. I was just messing around. Let's see. I think problems in general are pretty consistent. Yeah, I'm not really sure. So let's just do. This is a. Well, I guess we could just do counts actually. So. And, counts. Going from 1 to n. Okay. 1 int I is equal to 1. I is less than or equal to n. Right, so we're gonna go check. Right, so int sum is equal to 0, and then like wow. Oh, thanks for the follow, Yui. Really appreciate it. I'm getting my ass kicked right now when it comes to like problems. So while val is greater than 0, we're gonna do digit is equal to val modulus 10. I guess we can just do sum. Sum plus equal to, yeah, val modulus 10. Yeah. And then just simply do val divide by, divide equal by 10. And continue on with my day. And then after all that, we'll do shit. $9,999. So it should be size 37. No, we'll do size 37. They're all zeros. Because the maximum, so there's 10, 100, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So 9,999 is the maximum number we can do in terms of addition, and that's 36. So yeah, so counts of sum plus plus. And then we can just do like int I is equal to count that size. So what I'm doing is going from the end to the beginning. Oh, there's another person who followed, Kunal. I didn't even see someone else follow. Thanks for the follow, Kunal. Oh wow, my bad, mate. I have no idea how the stuff. I haven't touched C++ in years, or maybe you're using Rust now. I'm using both. That I just saw C++. Even Rust I had only used outside of work for fun. Yeah. I mean, I program C++ in like robotic algorithms, like, especially for jobs, since that's the legacy code. That's usually a lot of the legacy code, yeah. In the 1990s, yeah, no. Also, local embeddings and such. Wait, Yunjay said something? Oh, yeah. Along with most have no embedded text, leading to yeah. So do you have to do like a what is it called, an ORF? What is it called? Like PDF ORF? What is it called? The little OCR. That's what it's called. You have to do an OCR for like those types of like PDFs. There's some stuff with that for multi-shot training. Oh! Wait. Nice. Thanks for joining in, Kunal. Midnight Simon, he's a beast. He's definitely a beast. He is he knows too much. Thanks for joining. I've heard, man, I am a bit behind on these messages. OCR, yeah. Russ would we float train. Damn. I need to start getting into building my own models, my little small models. Character-wise stuff. Anyway, count size. -1. I is greater than or equal to 0. I plus plus. I minus minus. Excuse me. And then for this case, and max is equal to 0, then just max is equal to why am I so lost? I literally just froze. I was like, bro, what am I writing right now? And we just want to continue this. And then put a max. Then we simply do answer is equal to 0. Alright. Well, actually, just I guess answer is equal to 1. Minimum is 1. Then answer plus plus else break. This is hella messy code. Where's this? That's for the for loop. It's for the code. Okay, and then return answer. I'm not sure what my first solution was, but I'm assuming something along these lines. Oops. Okay, nice. We solved it, or at least the examples. I'm not sure. I don't think we're gonna get a runtime error. Could be wrong. For 10 to the 4, 10,000. I don't think we'll get it. I think we're gonna get it slow. That was pretty slow, but I think we're chilling. Yeah, it's pretty much chilling. Nice. Oh my. What was my previous solution? Oh wow, that's super slow. AKA, it was 1 millisecond slower. Oh, nice. Oh wow, I did I did all the way up to this value. Oh, crazy. Same thing right here at the max value. I guess this is this is actually faster. Because this is O of n, finding the max element, and then you just do a second pass. So it's 2n versus n log n. Yeah. Okay. we need to. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna bookmark it. Yeah, I need to get into this. But Kunal, if you're still here, man, hope you're having a wonderful day. What's your background, mate? I saw 2. Let's go. Easy claps. Let's go. Anyway, let's. Oh, this is from Hugging Face. Interesting. Funny enough, I've already done this, but anyway, the hell? Okay, so we need to. I don't think I've done this one. Okay, cool. I haven't done it. Palindromes, you said. That's scary, scary, scary. Oh, what was that? 1400? Yeah, it's 1400. Wait, Chris, do you program in C++? Or do you like to program in another language? Okay, so give it a string and an integer k. Sure, if you can use all the characters in a struct. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Okay, so what I'm noticing is like the amount of odd letters. If the amount of odd letters, I feel like if the amount of odd letters greater than K, then it can't be done. But otherwise, it should be okay. Because like if there was a C in here, this should work still. Like Annabelle C. Because then you can have a C right there. So if the number, so we just do one pass through. So my logic. Oop. Oh, nice. Cool. Oh, dude, if you guys could teach me, or we can, like, crazy idea, guys. We can, like, go through an example and you guys teach me to do it together. That would be, we can have that as a stream. That'd be cool, very interactive. I learn. We learn together, you know. Just count the number of ways, then check it if it is greater than 0. Just count the number of ways. That seems like it would be more difficult. Something using lane graph. Okay. But yeah. Am I interested? Bro, that's literally what we do for autonomous vehicles, bro. we are creating an AI agent. In robotic, I'm literally creating what? Now it is different. Well, there is some slight nuances with language because you have to do the embedding stuff. Does my the Office script work like mean nothing to you? I can't believe this. I am offended. But no, I'm pretty sure you just look at how many odd values there are and then go from there. So they're all lowercase. I'm pretty sure that's a simpler solution. Mathematical turtle. I think that's a simpler. At least that seems simpler to me. I don't really see a case where that fails. Because the even numbers can do whatever. No, it's fine. It's fine, Yunjay. I'm just offended to the highest degree. It's okay. I'm gonna cry about this later. It's fine. I'm actually gonna make a podcast over this. And just go 3 hours. Just going ham. Venting. Trauma dumping. And then, yeah. And then people will be like, podcast equipment should be more expensive these days. They need to raise the price of podcast equipment. Which I do not agree with. I believe podcast equipment should not be expensive. Because then we'd only hear about rich people. We'll only hear about rich people things. And I think people with a less fortunate background should be able to, speak their mind. Samir cast? Maybe. I tried to create a channel called Samir Streams. I created it, but then I forgot my password to the email I just created. / it didn't save on my password manager, and now it's up in flames. Now I can't recover the channel. Anyway, so the logic that I have is count the frequency of letters going through string S. Oh, string. Yeah, string S. And then once we count that, go through the frequencies to count the number of odd numbers. Number of odds. If odd count is greater than k, return false. Else true. I don't think we need to do any. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh no, this is gonna fail. We're not guaranteed. Well, if K, yeah, okay. I'm not really sure actually. So if K is greater than S dot size, because we're not guaranteed that it's less than. Return false. Less than or equal to. That's for sure. Used lang chain before? I've mostly only used little. Wait, what's the use case, Yunjay, for to like read all those documentations? I don't know if you can say, but what's the use case for all that? Okay, have a good night, Apu. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate you, mate. Oh, this would still work out. Yeah, no. I need to stop psyching myself out. So... have 26, 0. Right. And then for const char c and string, we simply just do c frequency c minus a plus plus. Yeah, I think that's okay. And then we go to odd count is equal to 0, and then for and C frequency, we simply do if modulus 2 is equal to 1, and we simply do odd count plus plus. Return odd count less than or equal to k, question mark, then true, if not false. I'm trying to think of a edge case where this fails. But I don't really... This would fail, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. This is supposed to be false. The last one should be false, and I'm going to be returning true. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, so we have... Wait, what? So 5 groups. I want 5 groups. G. G, H, H. So that's 3. Is this... That's 3 over here. How does it pass? Maybe I need to look at this question again. Huh. Huh. I don't see the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, I see the 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see. I think I might have gotten lucky. Let's go! I think I might have gotten lucky with my pattern recognition, but I'm not seeing... Yeah. Let's do another test case. I think I wanted to try would be... Oop. PHH, and then, okay. They accept that? Accept that as an input? They did accept that as an input. Interesting. Okay. Wonder if other people did my solution. Oh yeah, thanks Yunjae. It's just I don't know, I don't really feel good about that answer still, cause it just feels like I kind of cheated there. They did odd frequencies. Right. Bit masking. I'm never doing that, bro. Okay, so I did a counter. Oh, they kind of cheated there. Right. Oh, I don't know. Just didn't feel like I should have gotten that right. I don't know. Reducing dishes. Okay. So this one doesn't need any images, so we'll... Oh my god, why is it? And that was a 1402, I think? Yeah, reducing dishes. Okay. A chef has collected data on the satisfaction level of his end dishes. Chef can cook any dish in 1 unit of time. Lifetime coefficient of a dish is defined as the time taken to cook that. Bro, what? Maximum sum of lifetime that the chef can obtain. So it's just the index. Because you want this one. Oh, interesting. And you can flip the order. Why? Why not remove that? Why not just have 5 times 3? Oh, wait. No. You have to. Interesting. Okay, be right back. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. I see. Well, we want this one to be the end. So my first thought is just to sort this out first. People do not like the dishes. No dishes repaired. Let's this first one's very interesting. So let's sort it out. So I'm thinking, okay. Think of it sorting it at the beginning. But the thing is, what does this mean? Because how did you... Because what happens here is like, right, because this would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How do you figure that out? How do you figure out that you want to delete these guys? Huh? Or actually, hold up. How do you figure that out, huh? How did you figure this out? That you wanted... Oh wait, hold up. I have an n squared solution. Which I think works. Oh, oh no, it wasn't really I was slightly messing around, but at the same time I was like, unless it was, if anyone's watching and then they feel like I'll be like a good fit for their company, I'll be down to try it out. 100%. Yeah. See, when you mention it, yeah. I saw something that maybe it could be, it says, ah, interesting. Oh, dude, yeah. I think I would like to work with you as well again, Jay. But I'm not really, yeah. Wait, what did you have to do for your internship interview? Because when I was trying to like apply for internships, I wasn't going for software engineering roles. I was going for like manufacturing, mechanical engineering stuff. So I actually don't know like what they'd be asking for like internship level stuff in terms of that position. So I have an n squared solution, and just simply keep doing this. Not really sure if, and it should pass. Not the most efficient, but we're gonna do it. I have an n. Oh, that's disgusting, bro. Not really sure if this is the best way. Oops. I done messed up. Okay, cool. This is problem 1402. Yeah. It was the bi-weekly contest 23 Q4. Oh, Q3 was harder than Q4. Interesting. Yeah, I'm kind of cheating because this is n log n, and then my solution that I'm having so far is to keep track of a maximum value by redoing the coefficients, which is going to be n squared. Yeah. For me, I had a hypothetical where I had to explain how I would fix a hypothetical problem in production and some design questions about how I build things, and then an easy coding problem. Design questions. That's nice. Like how like when you say design question, like how you would structure your code, or like system design, program design, or system design. Yeah, so I think, yeah. Why is that happening right now? Int max. Actually, I'll just do answer is equal to 0. So I'm calculating the total for this window. Yeah. It was more about knowing like general ideas, I think. Ah, I gotcha. Oh, system is very basic. Ah, I gotcha. Oh, people didn't know about GitHub? Man, that's crazy. Dude, I love GitHub. Well, I didn't learn about GitHub until my senior year of mechanical engineering. But that's because like other software engineers were like teaching me stuff. And even then, I didn't really know it that well. I just knew how to like reset hard, do a git commit -m, do a git add git add dot, git commit -m, and then git push, things like that. I didn't know about PRs or anything. Hey, what's up, Poggle? How's it going, man? Long time no see, brother. I am getting my ass beat on this question. Oh, dude, my version. So, beginning of my senior year of mechanical engineering, my version control was Google Drive, and then I got introduced to GitHub, like the second semester, I think. Yeah. Oh, that was rough, bro. It was so rough. I didn't know what it was called, version control. I was like, oh shit, that's crazy. Damn. Learn GitHub, dude. It makes life so much easier, and I recommend using GitHub for a lot of stuff. If it's not like super sensitive information, right? Like I take my notes and push it to GitHub, just so I have like some documentation of some kind. Like these notes right here, or like test code that. Like program design stuff. Oop, yeah, this one. Like I have my Obsidian on there. Super nice. Oh, Obsidian Vault is on Git. Oh, I didn't know that. I just put the markdown files immediately onto GitHub. Anyway, so total is equal to time times. I don't. Yeah. I think this should pass the tests. Yeah. I'm not really sure if it should. I don't think it should pass the submission. I want it to pass. I don't want it to pass the submission. I feel like I cheat. I feel like there should be a better way of doing that. It doesn't feel like it should be a sliding window thing, but n square solution? That worked? That was 100%? Damn. I felt like I cheated there. But we did it hard, guys. We did it hard. It should probably be a medium, but we did it hard. I suck at these types of questions. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Pog champs. Pog. Can I get W's in the chat? I always wanted to say that. Oh, thanks. Oh. Yenji. Why were there so many symbols? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for timing you out, bro. It was automated. It was automated. I don't know what happened. W. So you've been going through a background check? Oh, really? I've never... I guess the only background check that I've done is like for housing. And thank you, mathematical turtle. Really appreciate that. I didn't really feel confident about this question. It was surprisingly simple. So let's look at people's solutions. We choose this is, yeah, so we sort it. Ah. Interesting. Now onto the next. No, I don't know about that. This is a nice solution. Kind of. I don't. This kind of hurts my brain right here. Having these two conditionals. But you don't have to. Oh, it's Lee. Yeah. Yeah. Cheeky. These guys are cheeky. You basically keep adding onto it. Or you add itself just to do additional time. I think that's very clever. Anyway, let's look at 1401. See if we need any visuals. This is only a medium. This was harder than the. An axis line rectangle. That's easy. Oh, okay. This is just a mathematical question. It's basically saying, does this x center plus radius intersect with like these vertical lines, right? So 0. Wait, true. Oh, blocked. Okay, gotcha. And then if y center plus radius, plus or minus radius, is oh wait. I messed up something in my head. So bottom left, top right. True. Okay, something. Gotcha. I was gonna do vertical line stuff, but I'm trying to figure out if there's an efficient way of checking this. What's an efficient way of checking this? Oddly enough, I'm pretty sure I've done this this type of question before in my job. Funny enough, something similar where it had to do with it had to do with some pre-calculations. Before going into the finer details, if they intersect or not, which I can't remember the best way of doing that. I did it with boxes. I think this should still. Okay, let's think about it. Nope. I need to escape. Where the fuck? What question is this? 1401. Huh. Mathematics. So I'm getting annoyed in my head right now. I'm getting really annoyed in my head. I'm thinking about calculating these 4 points. There's an issue with that. Okay, I'm gonna get a hint. Stupid Samir. That's what you're supposed to do? Calculate the closest point. So how do we calculate the closest point? From the center to the... Okay. So let's calculate closest point from center to rectangle edge. And calculate distance. Or I guess distance squared. Just so we don't mess with like square roots. Is this GJK algorithm? I have no idea what that is. GJK algorithm? What is that? I'm being so serious. I've never heard of that. Then check if that is less than equal to radius squared. Okay. Ah. I use bounding boxes. Ah. Oh, there's a video of it. Oh, that's cool. No, never used it. That's cool. My collision detection was very basic with basic shapes. But we did assume things were convex. Concave. I know this other part of my algorithm worked for concave stuff, but this other part was not concave friendly. So how do we calculate the closest point? We'll keep it a buck. I forgot. Closest point given a point and a snap, a line segment. No, that's not easy. That's not easy. Okay, I'm about to call it quits, guys. I'm gonna have a good night. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep because Yunjae was talking mad shit, bro. And I'm not getting anywhere right now. Feels like that one hard question that I was doing at the beginning. I'll sleep on it. What the hell? I hope everyone has a good night. Peace out, Girl Scouts.